Mastering Rust, Performance and Safety. Explore Rust's syntax, memory safety, and performance features. Rust is a modern programming language designed to offer high performance and reliability. It stands out for its safe handling of memory, making it a strong alternative to other languages. Rust's syntax is straightforward yet powerful, offering features that enhance performance. We'll explore its structure and compare it with C to understand its practical applications. Rust provides several output options that are both versatile and efficient. We'll look at how to format strings and handle errors to ensure smooth output operations. Comments in Rust, crucial for code readability. We'll cover single-line, multi-line, and documentation comments, along with best practices for clear and effective commenting. In Rust, variables and constants are fundamental. We'll explore how to define them, understand mutability, and use constants effectively through practical examples. Thank you for your time. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're open to video collaboration, partnerships, and investment. Feel free to reach out.